Okay, so this is a 1950 Westcraft Shasta. This is an awesome trailer, and this trailer is an excellent candidate for restoration. As you can see, it's really quite straight for the age. It has dual axles. You've got 5 windows on each trolley on either side. And as we come around to the back, you can kind of see how straight it is. It's got the original bumper. This originally was a painted trailer. Somebody has painted over it, but it would look amazing with a new paint job. Rear door that goes into the bedroom, and then here's the front door that goes into the living room. So let's just take a look inside. You can see that the flooring has been painted over. Originally was marmoleum. And you can see that this is a very light, bright, spacious front living room. It's got a cabinet here with like a little fold-out desk, a lot of storage. This is where probably a click-clack sofa would have sat. And as you scan around, there's a cabinet here, which is original. Would have been a furnace in this location, and you can see where the chimney went through the roof. This is where we see a lot of water damage usually. And everything is here, but you can see that it's going to need restoration. You've got your front kitchen with the L-shaped bar, which I absolutely love. Some of the cabinet doors were missing, so they'll need to be replaced. Lots of great storage. We've added a vintage range, which was missing when we picked it up. And we do have the burner grates for that also. You've got a couple of wardrobes and a really nice Marvel fridge. And I'll just open this up for you so you can see the condition. Heading back to the back bedroom, there's a wardrobe and a bathroom on this side. You'll see there's a forward-facing double bed, which is absolutely my favorite floor plan because you don't have to make a bed against a wall. And there are side tables on either side, which will need new doors and drawer boxes made, but otherwise a really, really great floor plan. You've got trolleys in this room. Here's your rear bedroom door. And then a dresser with a vanity. And if we come around here, you will see that this is the curved wall that leads to the original bathroom. Just open that up. And here is the original bathroom. We have not tested the water system, but we have used the electrical system and it works. So that's great. And that is the tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can visit us at flightcamp.com or you can email us directly at sales@flightcamp.com.